Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about mean value theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one, that should be about we have the interval from A to B, and that should be about continuous. So we will have about f of c, and we know that c should be between a and b, equals to f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So they want to estimate about this one, but we have the intervals in here. So this one we need to change by this one. So we will have about f of b minus f of a over b minus a. B, that's about number 6. A, that's about number 3. So I will put about number 6, number 3 in here, and number 6, number 3 in here. 6 minus 3, you got about number 3. And later that we multiply both sides by number 3. And this one we have about number 12. This one we have number 12. We simplify number 3 on numerator and denominator. So we will have f of number 6 minus f of number 3. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.